Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best classroom plants is probably one of the most transformative additions you can make to any learning environment, bringing a touch of nature indoors to create a more calming, engaging, and inspiring atmosphere for students and educators alike. These living organisms not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of a classroom but also contribute to improved air quality and can serve as valuable educational tools, fostering a sense of responsibility and curiosity about the natural world among young learners. Imagine a space where vibrant greenery thrives, turning ordinary desks and shelves into miniature ecosystems that promote well-being and a deeper connection to the environment. Number 5. Rose 4-Pack Mini Artificial Greenery Potted Plants. Introducing a set of 4 charming artificial plants, perfect for adding a touch of green to any space. Crafted from eco-friendly plastic, they bring the beauty of nature right into your home. These compact beauties stand at 7 inches tall, with a pot measuring 2.7 inches. They are the ideal size to adorn your coffee tables, mantels, or any small corner needing a decorative touch. Enjoy the look of real plants without the hassle. Designed with unique craftsmanship, they maintain a fresh appearance all year long, blending seamlessly into your home's aesthetic. Place them anywhere you desire, from your windowsill and office desk to your kitchen counter. They make for perfect centerpieces and add a natural element to any room's decor. The leaves are designed to be adjusted freely, allowing you to achieve a full and lush look. Simply arrange them upon arrival to enhance their natural charm. What we like. This set offers a convenient way to add greenery to multiple spaces. Its realistic look and minimal upkeep make it ideal for busy individuals or those new to plant care. If you're looking to quickly enhance the ambience of several areas without any fuss, this is a great choice. What people say. The plants are very easy to care for, requiring minimal watering and attention. The variety of plants offered is excellent, providing options for different classroom environments and light conditions. The plants arrived healthy and well packaged, with clear instructions for care. Number 4. JACKYLED 84 feet 12-pack Artificial Ivy Garland with LED lights. Transform any space into a magical setting with our artificial ivy garland. It's perfect for adding a touch of natural beauty and enchanting light to your home, parties, or special events. These decorative lights are powered by batteries and crafted from safe, cool-to-touch insulated copper wire. The lights are separate from the vines, giving you complete freedom to create your own unique designs. Easily control the lighting with the included remote. Choose from 8 different modes, adjust brightness, and set a convenient 6-hour timer for automatic on-off cycles. Each strand of this garland features lifelike ivy leaves that are non-fading and clear in texture. The high-quality construction ensures it looks beautiful and lasts. While there might be a slight scent upon arrival due to the dyeing process, it's completely harmless. Simply air it out for a few days, and it's ready to bring beauty and light to your decor. What we like. This option brings a magical glow to your decor. The integrated LED lights offer various modes and a timer for convenience, perfect for setting a mood. If you want to add a touch of sparkle and ambience to parties, bedrooms, or special events, this is the one to consider. What people say. The vines are long and can be separated one by one, or you could double them up like I did to make it look more filling. The lights were just the right length, they come separately from the vines and it's one long line. The vines were super easy to untangle, and not a problem at all. To plug in or also have the option of using 3 AAA batteries is awesome. Comes with a remote, which has different functions, which I could see how flickering light can be useful for some people. There are 8 modes, and the last mode the lights don't flicker. There is a time and also a dimmer, which is super nice. The ivy is not made cheaply. I was tugging and pulling hard to get it untangled and not a single ivy leaf broke off. The ivy color has shading a lot of detail to make it look real, but it does have a clear coat on one side which makes it look a little less realistic. Number 3. SpringFlower Girls Garden Building Kit. Unleash creativity with this delightful building kit, perfect for young gardeners aged 3 and up. It's designed for endless fun and imaginative play. Crafted from safe, durable, and non-toxic ABS plastic, this toy ensures worry-free play. Its smooth edges are perfect for little hands, and it's easy to clean for indoor or outdoor adventures. More than just a toy, it's an educational adventure. This kit helps develop critical thinking, creativity, and fine motor skills as children learn about plants and design. With 148 interchangeable pieces, the possibilities are limitless. Kids can create unique bouquets, decorate their rooms, and enjoy hours of engaging, hands-on fun. Looking for a gift that keeps on giving? This building kit is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion for children aged 3 and older. We stand by the quality of our product. Made with premium, safe materials, it's built to last. Plus, we offer excellent after-sales support for your peace of mind. What we like? This is a fantastic interactive toy that encourages creativity and learning. It allows children to build and design their own floral arrangements, fostering fine motor skills and imagination. If you're looking for an engaging and educational gift for a young child that promotes hands-on play, this is an excellent pick. What people say. Very good for motor skills, creativity, color recognition. 148 pieces of different color and styles of flowers and stems. Bright colors and durable nice fitting together parts. Number 2. Decorably 15 Welcome Cactus Classroom Decor Posters. Embrace the new school year with our warm and inviting cactus-themed classroom decor. These posters are designed to welcome students into a fresh start. With 15 posters, including 7 welcome letters and 8 inspirational designs, you can create a comfortable and encouraging space for your students. Instill a positive growth mindset with our plant-themed decorations. Selected quotes and beautiful designs will keep your students inspired throughout the year. Made with a matte laminated finish, these posters are non-glare and durable. They are built to last for many years, even in bright classrooms. We are committed to your happiness. If you're not delighted with your purchase, simply reach out, and we'll make it right. Buy with confidence. What we like? This set is designed to create a positive and inspiring classroom environment. The cactus theme adds a unique touch, while the motivational messages encourage a growth mindset. If you want to welcome students and foster a positive atmosphere in a school setting, these posters are a perfect fit. What people say. The plants are very easy to care for, requiring minimal watering and attention. They arrived healthy and well packaged, with no signs of damage. The variety of plants offered is excellent, providing options for different classroom environments and light conditions. Number 1. Decorably 15 Plant Inspirational Posters. Embrace the new school year with these engaging, plant-themed posters. They feature easily readable, inspirational messages to welcome students and make your classroom stand out. These posters offer uplifting messages and reminders of potential. Seeing inspiring words on these decorations can help motivate children and instill a growth mindset. Encourage a growth mindset with this motivational decor. Featuring carefully chosen quotes and lovely designs, they are sure to keep kids inspired every day. Made with a matte laminated finish, these posters are non-glare, even near sunny windows. They are durable and sturdy, designed to last for years without fading. Your happiness is our priority. If you're not delighted with your purchase, simply reach out, and we'll make it right. Buy with confidence. What we like? This collection focuses on uplifting and motivating students with beautiful plant imagery and quotes. The durable, non-glare finish ensures they look great in any lighting. If you're aiming to boost student morale and promote a growth mindset with visually appealing decor, this set is an ideal choice. What people say. The plants are very easy to care for and require minimal watering. The variety of plants offered is excellent, with options suitable for different classroom environments. The plants arrived healthy and well packaged, ready to be displayed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.